Hey everyone, welcome to the Captain Drone YouTube channel. My name is Steve, and in this video I just want to inform you of something really cool that's been around for about 6 months now, but not many of you know about it. So what is it, you ask? Well, it's the fact that I can speak in 5 different languages, and each of the videos I make are available in one of those 5 languages. So do you live in the United States and you speak Spanish but you watch my videos in English? You can watch them in Spanish. Do you live in Canada and you are Quebecois or you're French Canadian? Well, then you can watch my videos in French. Even my daughter-in-law is from Brazil, and well, she can watch my videos in Portuguese. And if you're over in Europe, you can watch them in Italian and German. And those audio tracks have been available on each of my videos for the last 5 to 6 months. So if you watch my videos on a cell phone or a tablet or a PC, you can select the audio language you wish. Let me show you how it's done. So I'll grab my phone and I'm going to put my phone screen over here. Okay, so let me hit play on one of my most recent videos. And this video is all about buying drones, planes, or helicopters from China. This is a video that's going to give you the knowledge to manage your expectations so that when you can see, that is English. Let's change it to a different language. All you do is tap the screen and then select the gear in the top right hand corner. And then select audio tracks and pick your language. So let's go to Spanish for United States.
Sino todo el electrodoméstico, así como vuestras herramientas de ferretería, así como muchas de las piezas de vuestro coche, así como muchos de los dispositivos de vuestra casa.
It's pretty decent. Now, of course, the audio doesn't match my lips, but it's still pretty easy to listen to. Let's try another one like French.
Marché. Mais aujourd'hui, les prix sont beaucoup plus élevés en raison de tous les...
Now, I do speak French in real life, and that's pretty good French.
Payez tous ces coûts supplémentaires. Maintenant, je vais vous en donner une tonne, il y a beaucoup d'informations dans cette vidéo.
Let's try Portuguese for my daughter-in-law who's from Brazil.
Verificados por mim. Conheço a loja. Então todas são lojas de...
So you notice on the screen, only the audio is converted to the proper language, not what's written on the screen.
É boa ou não. Agora, também quero dizer que estou no hobby.
And let's go to my wife's favorite, Italian. She loves when I speak Italian.
Ricevuto tutto ciò che ho
If you ever want to put your wife in the mood, speak Italian.
Entrare in questo è che molti negozi cinesi hanno un ufficio nel tuo paese. Non tutti i negozi ce l'hanno, ma molti sì, come di Lungai.
And if you ever want to sound like you're a little bit pissed off, then select German.
In
China gilt nicht das Prinzip, der Kunde hat immer recht. Wenn du also mit etwas nicht zufrieden bist, hast du Pech.
Actually, this person's German audio voice is very soothing, so it doesn't sound like he's upset.
Große Bedeutung. Sie wollen dich glücklich machen, aber gleichzeitig haben sie keine Regeln.
Now, just a warning, whatever language you pick for my videos that you want to listen to will apply to all the other YouTube videos you watch. So if you're just doing it to test to see how cool it is, make sure you change it back to English or you're going to be watching videos in different languages. So that's it. That's all I wanted to tell you. Have a great day, and I'll catch you in a future video with a product review. Until then, I say bye!